why you are very upset. And I don't want a friend from you, that's number one. And number two, me not block you. You look a good game for me where you never get. You have buried your bridges with, I have buried my bridges with you. So you can do all what you want to do. Come up on my page and see me that video. You, I tell me, say me bad man. Remember, you were the one that come on social media and said, if anybody want number one, they'd have to ask you. You forgot? But you didn't hear it, but thanks. Thank you, buff. You were the one, couple months ago, the year not finished yet. You were the one that come and said, if anybody wants number one, they'd have to ask you.
Yes, of course, of course, them did have to ask me. But the difference is, did I ever ended my life and go shoot for somebody else? Well, did I ended my life to shoot for somebody else for them not to get for them not to get number one? When did I ever end my life and shoot for nobody else? For somebody else not get number one. So who are the real bad mind now? Okay. Everybody know when me I say who forget number one, if when we couldn't ask me and them things that everybody know a joke. You see a lack of understanding and a lack of dunceness. School man.
Love you too, baby. The podium doesn't belong to nobody. And why would I come on my platform? If I want number one, never ask me. You forgot? The first somebody take it on a Gage. Gage take you down. Me take you down. Pops take you down.
Rosealee, when you ever take me down? When me and you ever in a competition for number one and you take me down? When that? When me the number one and you the number two, and you take me down. When that? Never. And me not have to call a big fat and think. We just deal with this on a normal level.
About two other squads take you down. And fire them, fire get your hand, fire get the feet. I know can't say shot fire about you. But one never still I use the app. Look at what I'm gonna argue video, honestly. You go and make up 40 video and 40 live video. You Badmine me. I put it from a place where nobody never see you at all. You know? Yes, you do you pinch corruption. And you flip the script.
Rosealee, what you not understand is, Rosealee, you not take me for no place. You just was part of my development. You not take me for no place, Rosealee. Rosealee, you not take me from no place. You was just part of my plan. Her brain do that. You know amount of decking me do a morning time, Rosealee? You know what a decking a morning time me do, Rosealee? Perry highlight me. If me never beg Perry Lion, you would have never known me, Rosealee. And no cause you feel like say, you take me from a place. Me I got stuck up in your ways. I'll make you do anything to me. That's how life work, Rosealee. That's how it work, darling. It no work so. Me not obligated to you.
And I argue with you. For me, for my friend, for a friend of mine to left my yard. Me have a friend, come have him as a friend in Canada. See a person left them yard to run to my rescue and all means and demand, and I know it was just a prank. What kind of friend that be? So it's not my fault that TikTok realize why you be. It's yours. Because people would eventually realize why you be. It's not my fault.
Yeah, big up. Hold on. I'm gonna set the live goal as blood clot whale. Cause it's a whale topic with it on right now. No, we soon get to that. Unpin that. We soon get to that.
People eventually realize me left my yard, come around you for escape car key for girl. One at a time, place the girl I put out, then me to live somewhere. We can accommodate people, let me get sick in my house. I know a lie.
As I said before, you was a part of the plan. And Rosealee, first thing first, you can't hold that over my head. You see, if I bring the gun allegation, yeah, act like say. Let me tell you what you act like, Rose. Let me tell you what you act like. You act like say, right after you help me with this, yeah. So you act like, you know. Chat me a glitch. Alright. Yeah, act like say. I'm gonna tell you what you act like. Yeah, act like say right as you help me with this.
is how evil you are. Time will destroy one in a Jayden. What time destroy one in me?
Time destroy who? Time destroy who? Time destroy who? No, do me.
So don't brush on my back. You always come and say I'm big, I'm stink, I'm fat, I'm so I'm a whale and this and that. And I don't have any problem.
Yeah, that's a fact. That's a fact.
But time will destroy one piece by piece.
That's a fact, Rosealee. Anna come and a fact. What a true? Anna lie. You be gone fat and think which one a lie, darling. Was I telling a lie? Tell Van if you wait now.
It's a one cloud you have to chase. You will always trace my cloud because I don't want a son from you. And you're evil with capital E. You cannot be trusted. So Mama get the laws of the book, Jayden. Me, Badmine.
Me cannot be trusted. When a you come for live, I talk about me have shoes. Rosealee, find you do the first violation there. Find you do the first violation there, darling. You cannot control me. You cannot control me, darling. Back in them days there. You see if Rosealee I play with nobody, if me I play with nobody, Rosealee just come up on the screen and come, so come. Rosealee, you cannot control me. Cause anyhow me never tough. Anyhow me never tough. Move the same way, bro. You go like how you make me. You make me. Fat pig, you make me. You can't control me. And that's the problem. You know, tell me, say, no ranker now look for me. No ranker now look for me. No ranker never did a play match with me. And that you get wrong. You can't control me, bro. Yeah, tell me about she help me. So Rosealee, if you help me and put shoes for my name, and if you just sit back and make she just have me so. A big thinking crown is so good, woman, and I comment. I want to go suck out to no big thinking, mama. Because I will no fat and think too. I be a blood clot fat people, me see I take up for that fat girl. Go suck on no mother. When me see some blood clot, when me look in the comments, I see some people like this me. I some big long time fat chop. When me look on them page, me say look on that big thinking dirty, look on them dirty woman here. Be a buffalo. You cannot control me. And that no sister me can't tame. Because you don't want me have enemy over there, so. You don't want me have enemy over there, so. And I'm not like that. Shut am I freezing? So people them say me I freeze. Me hear ya say me and down and entertaining. Wendy, big up. Me hear ya say me and down and entertaining. Rosealee, what do you, Rosealee, what you do for Bumbuckler Entertainment? You feel like go a party? You feel like go a party? Wear one fuck up clothes? You feel like cuss people at entertainment, bro? You ever get up one day? And say you're gonna make a video for your page, one skit? You feel like punking skirt at entertainment? You feel like embarrassing yourself at party? At entertainment? Because you put your life and I say, no, if me got a party, the whole place shocking and the whole place are laughing. Rosealee, they're not laughing with you. I have to understand. Them entertainment supposed to be. Them a laugh at your joke. But they're laughing at you, darling. You're the laughing stock. That's not entertainment, darling. What I do for entertainment, my page is there. My page is there. My Instagram is there. I don't need to explain to nobody. Me don't need to explain to nobody, bro. Oh no, I say me bully people for entertainment. Okay. Alright. Like how I say me bully people.
Surviving is winning, Franklin. Everything else is bullshit. Very dead.
That's one of my video. So una make it look like say me bully people alone. Bro, me chat me this myself too. Me this myself too, bro. Telling the truth. Telling the truth. Yeah, I mean, I tell you now. You see, telling the truth, bro. Me never have to explain what, bro. Me never have to explain myself. Cause what kind of content Rosealee have? What kind of content Rosealee have? Tell me. She is the content. Bro, are you the laughing stock, bro? You're jealous? Jealous of what? What me for jealous of Rosealee? What me for jealous of Rosealee about? What? What me for jealous of Rosealee about now? What me for Badmine and Rosealee? Jayden, you're too ungrateful. I tell you now, you see, I tell you now, you have some big fat girl. You have some big fat girl in a some blood class screen record in a this me, in a screen recording page. When me look on them girl the page, me I said, I fat community come down for me. Me can't manage you, you know. All like big people them get up one place. They're supposed to think. Me tell Annie the truth, them not like me. Me tell Rosealee the truth, oh you not like me. Me you not a friend then. Cause if a friend can't tell you the truth, I wanna feel no type of way. I say alright, me you not a friend then. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. Ungrateful and hype. Ungrateful for what? What am I ungrateful with? What to them big suckle thinking dirty nasty fat thinking dirty pig in my comments? Oh no, come out of my comments, man. I want to know. Ungrateful for what? Fat get you know oversized pig. You know come out of my comments. No food, no wire. Mr. Dan explain something. Mr. Dan explain something what there. Power screen recording. Mr. Dan explain something. Mr. Dan explain something. Mr. Dan explain something. And that's fuck. I don't know if you don't see it. What truth did you tell her? Me tell her so I behaving already. That me say. What mean what kind of truth, fat girl? Yeah, send me it again. Send me it. I realness me I use and kill the one over here, so man. I tell you, man. Me no matter who you be. Me have that on my screen. Me not going like me better than nobody over here, so. Me not going like me better than nobody over here, so. Listen.
So you see him standing so blood clot.
Listen.
He can play with puss dog and blood clot heart. And that's why you see him standing so blood clot long. And that him I use and kill them. Yeah. Them I use greed, but at that him use and kill them. That's why you see him end up come bigger than the whole of blood clot them. And they want to know how he do it. Let me tell you how he do it. Because he's not blood clot selfish like Uno. And when Uno did in a farm, I don't go no one another want to play with. Uno never play with all that girl when I know when I have a name. Uno never play with all that girl when I have no name. Uno only play with no one another. The girl I tell. You want to win a boxing on the start, show no one another hood to people, to gifters. And that mash up on the blood clot. Who for would big, who for would soft, who for would stiff. Yeah, and that mash up. Badmine. And that look boy they use and kill the whole of Uno. And play with puss dog and blood clot rat. And that's why you see him standing.
Never tell a lie. Did she lie though? We don't have to like her, but did she lie though? Did she tell a lie?
And play with puss.
Well on, I'm gonna play something else. Want the next one them. Peter, give me the next one them. Go beard, go suck your mother boy. Send me next one them, quick. Pour it up my screen. Give me no at me. Play with me. Bring a pussy come now, girl. I see him thing I do with Fabi. Pussy me never yet end my life yet. I'm gonna shoot down Fabi. Never. Fabi did have to put in the work to pass me. She have to put in the work to pass me. I tell that. You never go get it free. I saw me turn youth. And that would have been more money if she push. If me push and she push, that would have even be more money. Feed both away. And this is how I'm done see out. Tell us so no sense in that. You see it. Me tell us so no grow like a son. Look up it. You see it. I tell you, son, no grow like a son, look up it in a youth. But you ended your life as slime reach number 1. I slime that. Slime it off a push too. Slime it off a push too. Slam it off a push. Alright. Let me tell you. Let me tell you the thing. Let me tell you the thing. Watch out now. Watch out. Slime now no shooter. Fabi have shooter. Slime no really have no whole heap of shooter. At that time. Slime never really have no whole heap of shooter at that time. Me and Fabi have whole heap of shooter. You see it? And for anybody with a more if you slime the strength. So what you tell me, sir? Slime never have whole heap of shooter at the time. You see it? Fabi have whole heap of shooter at the time. I don't care if you don't want to call my Badmine in a dog. I don't care if you don't want to call my Badmine. Me rate my friend them over girl. Tell me I tell you that. Me no give a fuck if you don't want to call my Badmine. Me no care. Cause watch her. Fabi have shooter them time there. Fabi have whole heap of shooter them time there. You see it? So at least we go have a real competition. Because if I did really sub bro, Slam would have never get number one, bro. Still, you know, so I don't understand. I don't understand, you know. I don't understand, youth. I don't understand, youth. Beg on something, beg on something. And you can't see that youth a Badmine. You can't see that youth a Badmine. Never. Tell you how my Badmine come in now. Because everybody have Badmine at them, you know. Everybody have Badmine at them, you know. I tell you how my Badmine come down now. You see if you have a car, me explain this already. You see if you have a car, and I said, Jano, want a car like that. Me not gonna take your life feet, you know. Me I go work hard and buy that. I know Badmine that already, aye. Oh well, okay. Master, big up.
When your time come, it come. And as we say, if you don't have nothing for offer, you have a flap in a split second.
Listen.
And if you can't take the backlash, you have a flap in a split second. And that's how Jayden do that, to take backlash. And he realize how the internet are going to listen. You have to dig some people, you know. Whether they like it or not, you have to dig them, you know. Meaning you have to trouble them, text it on them, grow on with yourself. And then tomorrow you say, why you tell her to go and in no serious or whatever, and calm it down back like nothing never happened. I saw the internet around. It not, Jayden not take nothing personal. Jayden don't take nothing personal. That is the thing. So when Roger said, Rosealee boss Jayden, come on, stop it fucker. And this is the thing I want to know. You see, Jayden,
Let me tell you why me give Jayden the edge over all the blood clot, uno. And this a real talk. Let me tell you why me give him the edge. Because first me I go talk about Jayden now. Let me tell you why me give him the edge over all the uno. As TikToker. Jayden is the only blood clot TikToker we play with puss dog and blood clot rat. When uno did in a farm, a gang of 10. When uno did, that's why me I say, you see Jayden I go always prosper. You know why? You see the art where that little boy they have? Enough time I see him make some move where him shouldn't make. And what TikTok give me violation? What kind of violation? What may I get violation for?
What about the one life for? That's all you get me.
Your life contain things. Some people feel uncomfortable. Anybody who is uncomfortable go suck on a woman, man. Listen.
I do wheel them, I the fuck wheel them.
When me say Jayden do enough time, you see when the gang of 10 in a farm, they only play with them one another. You see how Jayden coming like nothing to them. They would even
Nicole, beg us something.
and him. You see when Jayden blood clot take over.
Well,
Make parody lion, and that's when the whole internet come down. But that's why I say sometimes and not everything people think say bad. Because them say the stone where they build and refuse are gonna be the head cornerstone. And see him like the same people them when I bring him down and I say, oh my beg Perry lion because them feel like say Perry in a bigger class than him. So him shouldn't go over there go beg Perry lion. And the same people them know me say I run back at Jayden and I said, one Jayden one because this is the internet and so the people them steer. Them always push down other people because them don't know say your day go come when you go come shine down. No five people them where you see I say one Jayden now. Never did I say Jayden. Not for them. You know why? Because them never like him. Not even say never like him. Him never in the category yet where them want him for inner because them only look up to certain people when they're on the internet. So me that say Jayden play him own role, take him beaten until finally him get him own a break. Because guess what? Me that say, I the suck mama bust Jayden for just a suck, and the eat, and that bust Jayden. Nobody don't bust Jayden. Jayden bust himself because him have him own style them. If you don't have nothing to offer the internet, nobody can bust you. You go come and just drop. You have to have something. When Jayden come out with the eating something, look how much people that beat him with it. And him continue same way because of feel niche. And him brain I tell him say, this can give him a bus. And him continue do it. Me we eat, you more eat.
Me eat for true though, me eat for true, chat. I eat pum for real.
More eat all when people are lick out and then him come with the skate for the tool and then the people them start gravitate to him and people start like him. Me I go tell you something about TikTok where a lot of you don't understand. That's why I say
let me clear the air. I eat front for real. I don't cap about eating. I eat front for real. Sometimes it's salty, sometimes it's dirty. I eat. Sometimes I eat woman on their period because more flavor there.
Only carry eating and hard for people. Some of them don't even know what is eat. When I say I eat people, I don't even fucking know what is eat. You see the youth name TikTok boss. TikTok boss that come like Jayden. TikTok boss they are all long and him a go on.
So you eat too? TikTok boss eat too, chat?
And Magua. You know, said day before yesterday, I think a day before yesterday, me watch a video with TikTok boss. Because me always see him video them. But day before yesterday, the first me see a video where make me look on him different. Like me I said, John know that you have to get a bus big parody lion style. Jayden have him own unique style when him come out with. If you don't have nothing to offer on TikTok, you will come and drop. But if you have something for offer to the people them, plus your back off a broad.
Like who?
Jayden as somebody who him take everything for fun. No matter you see him vex today, tomorrow you see him sit down back with the same people, they will bring him down to there or whatever. Because just say, yo, I work in not here, also my money, me I look afar, me I come from, whatever. So me now do this and do that, and you know, we are feeling. So, you know, some of the things them gonna hurt him and him lick out on it and him go back in him hole and him come out back again and him figure about that and restart again. That is the thing about Jayden. Jayden is very unique.
Dan, I want to ask you something. Who named Jayden? Nicole, no lie to me, no Nicole. Me see you somewhere in Nicole, but me no want to say me I watch pocket, you know. Me see you somewhere in Nicole. I saw you somewhere, you know. Nicole, I saw you somewhere. Nicole, you give him my money. Nicole, you give him my money, Nicole. Me no want them say me I watch. Nicole, come in the group. Nicole, why you give her the money, Nicole? Why you do that? Chat, now power tap the screen. Chat, now have a power tap the screen. Power tap the screen, my team.
I'm so me a will and this and that and be try that. Not even a syndicate you can be of minds. Whoosh. When I get to realize what someone wanna be on the app, not even a syndicate of minds when you can be. Me not use a local boy. Go away. I'm not waste my 2 cents per either. Go away. Because one and I understand say Father God like ugly. It's when the heart black and your mind bitter. Father God not like ugly.
Rosealee, I say somebody heart black and mind dirty.
It will be seems like you're winning now, you know. But not for long.
Me glad I know that. Me glad I know that. Me glad you know that. Me glad I know that, Rose.
You're gonna need a particular person with this at the end time in life, so be careful what you do.
So Rose, why you say me need you? How many need you for now? What would I possibly need you for now? Like, what exactly? Me not go fake it with you. Me not go fake it with me not go fake it with I don't me need you. I don't me need you, Rose. I don't me need you, darling. Chop me a freeze.
I want all of them sitting over here and them diss me, them friend over come talk to them. Me have time when my chapter close and my door close. I mean I use them. Me not come hold an argument with you in a period. Me argue with them, period. I look one back and forth, I want to and from and this.
Back and forth. Answer. Well, Vanya did. I think, Rosealee, I think you need to take your own advice, darling. You see, what me need for Rosealee? What me really need you for? Right now, not even Hakeem no need you. Right now, not even Hakeem no need you. Cause Hakeem treat the people them right of a theme team, and right now Hakeem have a steady team. So right now, not even the dog no need you. And you want him. Don't call people name to be relevant. Make me tell Uno again. Uno dunce fat, oversized fridge people. We're in our comment section. We're dunce. Let me tell you something about the media. You see anything what go on now, that the people I'm going to talk about. So if my body up on a mountain, that everybody go to talk about. I want to come from. When blood clot Brittany, you see if you don't know what I'm chat about, you know, don't bring in the blood clot, bumbo clot, something upon you, so yeah? Me call any boy or girl name. Anybody when I want me call them name, see like a whatever. See what happened what day, I think I see the bumbo clot D. D come over blood clot, yeah, so I try to explain to we say whatever. Blood clot, man take, girl take her man, or whatever. And blood clot, she gone in a bumbo clot, girl inbox, a text bomb man, you see it. And then we know we soon hear blood clot D ball out, you know. We know we soon hear D come back on blood clot internet. And a ball, say man thump in face, man box out teeth, man chump, man put foot through wall, man put through face. Bro, if you never come on here so with it, bro, would I never know? If you don't want nobody talk about it on the media, why you guys come up? I don't feel sorry for thee. D, if you get two bucks in your face right now from your man Jelani, me no feel sorry for you, darling. Once me see it on my FYP, I am going to talk about it. If you don't want nobody talk about your business, don't bring your business for ya. It's simple as that. Can you imagine? Man box you right from down the from top of the hill. Go down the hill. One by one. In box you don't go down the blood clot hill. And man post girl. Man post girl. Are you gone in a girl inbox like you idiot? And the man even look good. I would know because I remember I know me a batty man. So you admit it. So are you admitting it now? Darling. When I notice anything gonna give me take it. So if you know say Jayden a batty man, me a batty man for true. If you know say Jayden suck pussy, me suck pussy for true. If you know say Ashley post brush on me, should be for true. Anything gonna give me I take it, darling. If you know say me buy for true. Motor car me buy for true. If you know say me a girl is anything what uno say, I will gladly take it. More content for me. But the only thing I'm not going to take is when Rosealee come and said, Jayden buy shoes. I'm not going to take that one. Because you know why? That's illegal. And that should, yeah, and the underage thing. And that should be reported to the police station. Because if my life feels threatened right now, I am going to the station. I am a law-abiding citizen. Oh, you want to say me buy shoes and them thing there? And you want me be your friend? And if you have your back. Me alone can't have that the back there, darling. Me, big up. You're gonna need more people to have your back. Your wife, you can't say, Jayden, come here, so. Go there, so. Go there, so. Go there, so. One time to blood clot. One time, anytime Rosealee I go out, and me I bring her somewhere. One time, everywhere Rosealee I go. If Rosealee says she want to have fish, and me I fear bring her. If Rosealee want to go clean her teeth, and me I bring her. Darling, you was trying to control me. You was trying to use me. You was trying to turn me into a DoorDash. You didn't want to turn me in our butler. You didn't want to turn me into a diamond. Big up diamond. Chat me so diamond in a hospital. I hope diamond good. I see it. And I pray for diamond. But you were a never good friend. You're the fat girl. I want next big thinking truck that you know. Anybody comment to me look on them page, I want big thinking truck. I always a truck them. Anybody can sick, bro. Anybody can sick, bro. I'm going to hospital, bro. Anybody, bro. I left her alone. We have to do now. I pray. Missy LD and the girl left on live a blood clot cuss it out. When me see that girl, let me see her walking up. You say you really go find for that. When me look, I want to say me mix up, so. When me look upon that girl, they told them favor. How them favor, so, sister? Them suit for one another. LD now, when I click a live, what we are going to do?